So for the peanut butter blossom cookies, it is a 1-1-1 ratio. We have 1 egg, 1 cup peanut butter, 1 cup sugar, and our chocolate kisses, and then we're gonna roll them in sprinkles before we put them in the oven. And we got these pastel stars, which they're cute, and it's spring, so bring some of the festive spring colors in the house.
Not precise measurements.
That's okay. I also did not give you the actual 1 cup scoop like I could have.
Making things hard on me, huh?
Of course. Someone has to.
Ain't that the truth?
And there is our oven.
Okay, I'm gonna rinse my hands. Actually grab the 1 cup measuring for peanut butter.
If it's fair trade, it's good. If it's not fair trade, not good. Do we think diet culture should burn? Most
Yes.
definitely. Most definitely.
I was about to brandish the knife, and then I was like, that actually might get you demonetized.
I don't even get monetized.
I didn't mean for, like, not brandish.
Yeah.
Last little bit of egg in this one.
It worked. Good.
And what did you say about making sure that, like, these don't melt is you have to, bake it with them?
Yes. If you
They are not circles, but they will be
If you
delicious.
bake the kisses with your dough, they will still melt, but they will retain their shape so that when you pull them out, they're not going to like get squished or like they won't look like they actually melted.
Normally we have a little, like, ice cream scooper that we use, but we're making
Other cookies.
other cookies, and it's getting, those cookies are getting that one. Because these have peanut butter blossoms and also, sprinkles.
As you. I don't know. Yes, and not the full bag. So we'll start with this. More chocolate chips. More chocolate chippies. If it will behave.